TOBENONE, that is the company that sent us this USB-C dock. It's not just any USB-C dock, and we'll talk about it in today's video. The model of the dock that we have here is the USD-030, and it is priced at $220 originally, but they're having a discount at the time of this recording, and I think they will consistently have discounts, so do keep an eye out on that. And let's unbox this thing here first. The box is pretty typical, I would say. We have the dock in the box, which has this little sticker here that tells us that we need to download the display link driver, which I appreciate the reminder. And there is also another power brick in the box. And lastly, there's also a high-speed USB-C cable in the box. And I'm not sure why they included this type of convertible design, but okay. Oh, since we're living here in Malaysia, we are also using the UK 3-prong plug. This company also sent me this thing, which is a really high quality plug converter that is also fused. Okay, so the first thing that you might ask is why have a dock like this when something like this kind of dongle can do pretty much the same thing and is also smaller? Well, even though these two things are technically still called docks, they do serve a completely different purpose and they have different capabilities too. Firstly, charging. The TOBENONE USD-030 dock needs to be connected to the power jack so that you can actually charge your laptop with this thing, and it has up to 65 watts of power output, which means it's gonna be perfect for something like the MacBook Pro 14-inch that I have here. Secondly, let's take a look at the amount of ports available. It has so many ports, but what caught my attention though is actually the dual display output. And I just want to ask you one question here. Have you ever seen this type of dongle dock having two display outputs? Well, they exist, but they don't actually work with Macs, with M1, M2 or M3 chips because they need something special called display link, and this dock supports it. And that is why we have two monitors on the table here just to show you how well it works with this dock. So yeah, these are just two random monitors that we have around the studio, and we'll use one HDMI cable from this portable monitor here and one display port from this gaming monitor. So let's just do that real quick. So this is the back of the dock, and the first thing that we need to do is to actually connect the power. It doesn't actually matter what order that we connect it from. Secondly is this HDMI cable. I will connect to display 2 because why not? Then for the third cable is the display port cable. It's quite a cable mess here because of all of the placements that I opted for. So we got all of that connected, and now it's time for this USB-C cable. As mentioned earlier, they gave us a convertible cable, but I'm not gonna use the USB-A anyway, so what I'm gonna do is connect it like this. And that's pretty much all we need to get started with. Nothing at the front yet, and we can see the green LED here that's lit up to tell us that it is ready to be connected to our device. Now that we got everything connected with just this one USB Type-C cable that is connected to the dock, it should work. So let's do that right now. Beep. Whoop. Yes, we need to allow this. And whoops, nothing happened. Well, that is because I have not installed the display link driver. Let me do that real quick. Okay, we have installed the display link driver, and even without restarting the MacBook, it has automatically worked. That's impressive. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. We don't even have to reconnect the cable, just install the driver, then it will automatically work. That's amazing. And now, because of how the ports are placed on the TOBENONE USD-030 dock, I can connect my mouse and keyboard to the back of the dock since it has 3 USB 2.0 ports there. That means all of the peripherals that I constantly plug and unplug are placed at the front, and they are also high speed at the same time. And oh, there's a combo audio jack here, so I can plug in my headset to this dock directly. It's really convenient. And that's all that we have to share with you about this dock. It's a really nice all-in-one dock that does what I need it to do, 2 displays at the same time, and it also charges my laptop too, and it's just gonna be perfect for my desk. Yeah, if you have any other questions, then do leave them down in the comment section below. And also, I should mention that TOBENONE also sells many different types of docks and dongles and cables on their websites too, so do have a look at their whole catalog. Some of these docks are in the shape of a laptop stand actually, whereby some of them are just gonna be stacking on top of the Mac Mini, I think. At least that's what the shape looks like. And yeah, if you like this kind of video, then do hit that like button and subscribe as well, and we'll see you guys in the next video.